Hi everyone, I am Maureen Rodriguez, and I hope you plan on register for EMDRIA conference this year. I will be presenting on Saturday, September 13. The name of my workshop is Healing with Humor, Integrating Laughter Therapy into EMDR 8 Phases. In these 90-minute sessions, we will explore how therapeutic humor and laughter therapy can enhance the adaptive information processing model across all the phases of EMDR. We will look at how laughter can build resilience, strengthen the window of tolerance, and deepen our relationship with our clients. You will learn at least 3 practical techniques you can use right away. How to introduce laughter as a resource, how gently use laughter humor as an interwave, and how to use it also as a grounding when you need it. But this is not only theory. We are going experiential. You will actually try laughter therapy exercise so you can feel how laughter can shift the nervous system, support emotional regulation, and improve outcomes during reprocessing. And do not worry, of course, we are going to do this, always keeping it evidence-based, trauma-informed, and fully aligned with EMDRIA standards and ethics. So, if you are curious about adding a little lightness, creativity, and clinical sound joy into your EMDR work, I hope to see you there. So, register soon and see you in September.